Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can create AI Notes app using MIT App Inventor. So I got a lot of suggestion on this app, but there are a lot of, so it's take a lot of time also. So that's why in the first step, we will create a simple AI Notes app. Then we will implement all these features. Okay, so let me show you the demo first. Okay, so you can see that's my AI Notes app. Okay, so let me just open this app and let's see how it's work. Okay,
Welcome to your Notes AI Notes app. Please tell me your password.
456
Your password is wrong. Please tell me again.
1234.
Thank you. Here we go.
So now the password is right. That's why we here. If the password is wrong, so she will tell you that the password is wrong. Okay. So now click on this right button. Write my first note. Okay. So that's the note. Whatever we say, she will write everything here. And whenever you say second time, so this will write in the second line from the another row. Okay. So let me just say again. Click on this right button. I have to do my homework tomorrow. Right, so now that's my notes. Now let me just click on, and that let me just delete all these notes. So just click on this right button and say delete notes, and the notes are deleted. So that's the overall app we will create in this video. Okay, so here we go. So we are using here appinventor.mit.edu. We just need to click on start new project. Okay, and my project name is AI Notes 007. That's my app name. Now that's my first screen. So that's all my welcome screen of my notes. So in this screen, I'm to make a lock. Okay, voice lock. So how can I do that? So simply I'm to just drag and drop, click on this layout option. In the left side, you will find this one and drag and drop this vertical arrangement. Okay, and make it fill parent and make this one is also fill parent and change this background color to something orange or something. Click on user interface and here just need to drag and drop one label. Click on this layout and make it in a center and make it in a center. Click on this label, change this text to something welcome only. Okay, and I'm going to make it 30 and I'm to make this one text. I'm to change this background color to something dark. Okay, and I'm to make it in a tile. Fine. And in the welcome, I'm to make it white. Okay, fine. And make it bold. Welcome. Okay. So whenever someone open this screen, so there's AI and she said like welcome, welcome Saurabh or welcome someone, and please say your password. Okay, you don't need to put your password, you just need to say, you just need to say that that's my password, something like that. So for that I need one extension that my text. So just open new tab and just call your SC voice recognizer and let me just open this and here you can see the version 8 and to make it download this AIX file. Go to the MIT App Inventor, click on extension, click on import extension and drag and drop this extension here. Click on import. Now just drag and drop this here like this. And you can see in the media and in the media you will find text to speech. Just drag and drop this one also. Okay. Now, and we need one cloud TV also. Click on storage and cloud TV. Simple. Now go to the block and whenever our screen will initialize, then we will call here text to speech and the text to speech something like welcome welcome to your notes app. Okay, AI notes app. Fine. Now wherever you say, so for wherever this screen will initialize, so we have to call one more thing here. Okay, so after this, okay, so click on speech recognizer and you can see the we have to get text. Okay, so for that we need one button here, or we can say that after this speaking, like after click on text to speech and you can see call dot speak after speak. Okay, after speaking, I just need to call this as a speech recognizer. Okay, in screen life, welcome to your notes AI. Then this will as a speech recognizer will call after speaking. Then we will use control. Okay, and click on this as this one. And after getting text, we have to check condition. Okay, and that one is fine. I have to do one more thing here. I'm going to use your two speech recognizer. Please or you can just put it in a same row like fine, and then please uh, tell me your password. Okay, simply then we will get the password. Okay, so we have to just tell 1 2 3 4 or 7 5 6 whatever, and then we have to check condition. The condition if it's true, if the after get recognized, it means get result is equal. So this one is a static password. You can make it dynamic also using cloud db or someone form also. So I'm to make it 1 2 3 4. That's my password. Okay, so if the password is correct, then I'm to hide this vertical arrangement from here like this. Okay, make it false, and then condition, and then I have to make another one should be on. So for that, click on this word arrangement and command C or control C and control V simply, and make it one is visible off. For second one, I'm going to make it delete this one welcome from here, and that's my second one vertical arrangement 2. It means our main screen where we have to write down our notes. So go to the block, and here we need to display this. So just copy paste it like this. This one is hide and this one should be true, and this one should be vertical arrangement 2. Okay, if the password is wrong or someone say another thing, okay, so in the else part, okay, whatever we here see said, then we have to call here again that one is like your password is wrong. Okay, please tell me again. Okay, simple. Now whenever this will call, then automatically this after speaking will automatically call because this one is after speaking. Okay, now if the password is right, then we will move to this here. Okay, now we have to actually the thing is what we can do here, we can add one more screen here. Okay, simply, so for that click on their add screen option. Okay, and the screen 2 is our name of our screen simply. Okay, and then go to the just select screen 1 from here and go to the block. Okay, and then whenever someone the password is right, then we will move it to the screen 2. So we're not going to hide anything, we just open another screen. So just call here open another screen. Okay, this one open another screen and the screen name is screen 2. This will be simpler. Okay, screen 2. Fine. Okay, so this is amazing. Now go to the design. That's my first screen, and now let me just open my another screen, screen 2. So I have to delete this one. I don't need it vertical arrangement 2. I just need this vertical arrangement 1. Okay, welcome screen. Then select this screen from here. You can see drop down list. Select 2. That's my second screen where we need to write our notes. So for that, I'm going to use here one text box. You can see in the left side you will find text box. Just drag and drop it here and make it with this fill parent, and the height or with this fill parent, and change this background color to I'm going to make it again tell. Okay, and the text I'm to make it should be white like this, and the hint text is something right right here. Okay, so that's my notes. I need one button here. Okay, fine, and then I just need to make it fill parent. Okay, and then click on this screen 2 and make this one background color and to make it black. Okay, then change this button color to something orange and change this button text to right. Okay, and make it font bold and make it at least 18. Okay, you just need to click on this right button to add a notes. Okay, now it's fine. Now, how we can save this notes in Cloud DB, because we have to save, because whenever we close a my app or app, then the data will lose and we lose our data. So how we can save this data? Okay, so what we can do here, we will use your Cloud TV. So go to the block section. Okay, so whenever someone click on this button, so we have to call here speech recognizer. Okay, so go to the design, and I need here again like speech recognizer. Here you will find in the extension, just drag and drop this here. Okay, and we need here Cloud TV. I'm going to delete my Cloud TV from my screen one. I don't need there. So now go to the block. Okay, so when button one click, someone click on this button one. So we will call here get text. Okay, and then whatever text we will get from this, after getting the result, we will save this all this text in text box one dot text here. Okay, and the text should be the result, get result. Now after getting result, we have to save this data in Cloud TV. So click on Cloud TV, and whenever a screen will initialize, it means screen 2 will initialize. So we have to first fetch data if the data is exist or not in the Cloud TV. Okay, first we have to check it. So click on Cloud TV and you can see the get value. Okay, and the tag should be, this one is a static tag, and to make it here the something data. Okay, that's my data, and if the value is not there, then we will display here nothing. Nothing. Okay, so whenever we call this get value, so this block automatically call got value. Okay, then whenever we got the value, so we have to display this text box one dot text should be value. We will get the value from Cloud DB in the text box one dot text. Now, whenever we get something and whenever we write something, so we have to save this data in Cloud TV. Okay, so for that, click on Cloud TV and we can see the store value, this one. Okay, and where we have to store this value, we will store this value in data tag, and the value we have to store is text box one dot text. Simple, right? That's really very simple. Now, it's fine. Now, whenever someone click on this speech recognizer, okay, and whenever we get something like please delete this data, okay, or something, it means click on maths and you will find condition. Whenever the result is something like delete delete task or delete notes, okay, so it means text, you can change it here. If I just say delete notes. So whenever the result is delete notes, then we have to clear all data from our Cloud DB. So here you can see clear tag. This one we will call it here, and tag is our data. Okay, now this one simply we will call it here. So this, and after the deleting the data, after this we have to fetch this data. It means this one. So we have to, we can't store the data. We have to use it in a else block. Okay, else block. If the delete notes is not there, it's something other tags, then we will call here store data into this. Okay, now after getting text we have to do this, but we have to fetch whenever we delete the data, so we have to fetch again from Cloud DB. Okay, so for that just we have to call it here this one, and then see this get result, not get result, we have to just set it here like this, and we have to get value. Okay, and whenever we call this one, so this will automatically call and save the value in our text box one. It means nothing, because whenever we clear tag, this will fetch value from get data. It means there is nothing, then this will display nothing. Whenever we say something, whenever we add another node, so this will replace the previous task or previous node. So for that we have to add existing text or existing data. So we will call here, click on text, and you can see the join, this one. So just call it here, and we will call it one more thing here, and we will add every new task from the new line. So for that, for the new line, just copy this text and in the center, just change it and make it this one slash and n. And in the join, we will make it text box one dot text, and then we will make it here result. We will add it here result. Okay, like this, and then just trade it this one button simply. Okay. More thing we have to do, go to the design section, click on this text box and make sure this should be multi-line. Okay, multi-line, this should be. Now, what we can do here, one thing we should do here, click on screen one, select, and in the password is right. We have to tell something about this. So for that, we will call here, if the password is right, so we will call here, okay, thank you. I should write like this. Here we go. Okay. Now, that's the overall app we have created till now. So just comment on the video and let me know that do you really want more features on this app, or what feature you really want? I know you already have commented a lot of comments on the previous video that feature you want, but I know that a lot of feature I have to cover, but it's a long video. So let me know priority, like which feature I should add, and this should be useful for you, really useful for you. Okay, so let me just comment on the video and I'll try my best to create the another part of this app, okay, to add on some more features. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and make sure please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.